Today is the pagtitibag ng iyong biyahe. That's Smokey. Nakala si Smokey. Game na game ba? Game na game!
Nahanap ako ng story na tanong.
And there's David. Hello, David. David. Hello, David. Happy birthday. May ngipin ang. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Chicken.
Tong tong tong. Ayaw tingin yung ulit eh. Makakalap ka ng foreigner doon. Foreigner yung babae. Foreigner nga lang. Sabi mo yung babae niya.
Mali ang gawa. Mali. Mataas masyado. Babawasan. David is looking at me. After your garage has been corrected, they will put like this in the bottom, like that one, a louver. That's the one. That's the adjustment they're gonna make. So our gate will be still the same. That's our gate. My gate, my house gate. Carries. Okay. Let's update outside.
Ay, putik na yan! Chicken. Show your teeth, David. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Here's my one front teeth. My one front teeth. Where is my one? A chicken. A chicken. Where's your teeth? Show teeth. Pakita mo ang ipin, te. Ngipin. Patawanin mo. David. Tong. Nakita. Nahulog na
minutes. It's my dirty kitchen, look.
Mario, natulo pa yung...
Ay, nako. This is the inside of the house. I'll just show you. This is the stairs. Okay, just the stairs. This is our house. Okay. I'll show you the paint. My room. Our room. This is the master's. Okay, this is the master's. Shower room. Toilet. Cabinet. Is not finished.
Mario, yung ano? Tubig na tulo.
Second toilet upstairs. Okay. Second toilet. Hallway. Maid's room. Maid's room. Cabinet. Okay. David's. No, I mean RJ's room. RJ's room. Okay. Finish